I really think you're going to like this Seeing Crime episode. Welcome. Hello, everyone. I'm Zelda Kelly, and welcome to this episode of Seeing Crime. Tomorrow morning is the hearing for a motion to move the court date or the trial date from January 27th of 2025 to April 1st of 2025. What a gag. April Fool's Day. Okay, we're here for it. But I cannot wait to see the defense. But the one reason I want to do this little video for you is because David Yanetti had a wonderful, wonderful article written about him. It is in X. It's from his alma mater law school, and it was just glowing. But in the interview, he said something that was very interesting. And he said, this time, they're taking a completely different approach. They've got more evidence. They've got more experts. They've just got more of everything. Well, thanks to the feds, I'm pretty sure. And they may be able to bring those things into evidence now and declare that there's been a federal investigation. Here's the way I feel about this. Hey, prosecution, Hank Brennan, Morrissey, Lolly, MAFO, mess around and find out. Because you're not only being investigated, you're going to be made fools of, in my opinion. So if you're here for the first time, welcome. Please subscribe. We have a big giveaway coming at 7,000 subscribers. And you know what? The subscribers keep going up and up thanks to you. And please click the like button. I would really appreciate that if you do me that favor. Now, today I'm going to do things a little differently because I want to see how this motion goes. I want to see how things are because, we are in Mercury retrograde, and what I've been saying is that this is going to actually be pretty good for Karen Reed's case. This Mercury retrograde is opening up this little can of worms, and the things from the past are starting to be brought forward into the light for the future. That started November 7th. And will not end until after the first year. So we have this whole phase of this Mercury. Mercury is the planet of communication. Don't forget that. And if you want to know more about this Mercury retrograde, I'll try to put a link in the description for you so you don't have to miss out on a thing. Today we're going to read with my grandmother's cards, the Gypsy Witch deck. No gypsy, no witch, but we do have a few cats, and that's fine. Then I have both Kipper decks. I want to see where this foundation is leading us. I might bring in a tarot, but I have a Cartomancy in the wings waiting just to see if we need more information. First off, I would like to pull a telepathy oracle card just to get an idea of where spirits, guides, and angels, where this is going to be taken. And I want you to just remember, in the last chapter of the book of Genesis, where Joseph is older, he is saying what was meant for his harm, God turned around and made good. And this, believe me, we've got a little bit to go with Karen Reed's case, but I'm a firm believer in that verse and in that philosophy. The telepathy card is this: allure. Consider the situation carefully. Oh my, we will do so, and thank you for that inspiration. Putting the hand of fate to the side, and here's what we're going to do. We're going to pick some cards. Hope you're going to be able to see that. I'm going to try to keep them in the picture. So I'm just going to pick out one card here first, the marriage card. We always get this, and it's because the CW is overly committed to this case, especially when no one else in their office wanted it. and he had to go fishing outside. Here we are. He, meaning Morrissey, had to fish for another attorney. Occupation. Married to the occupation. Oh, yeah, they're married to their office. And look at this, my darlings. 34. We can't make this up. Can't make it up. And I'm going to say 3 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow. Maybe something will happen. I don't know. But isn't that amazing? The occupation they are definitely married to. We're going to put this to the side. All right. How about another one? How about another one? We're going to take this little guy right here. Wealthy man. Yes. That could be anybody. Because, listen, they're all making money on Karen, one way or another. A meeting. Oh, now this could be the court tomorrow. Number 4 and number 13. That makes 17. Okay. Putting this to the side. Tell me if you like this. I kind of like it. It gives us a change and actually gives the cards a break. 23, the courthouse, and how? And how? We have this one. Legal mat. Oh, my darlings, do you think we can make this stuff up? Number 23, number 30. I don't think we can. Look at that old-fashioned rendering. Isn't that a gas? I just love this. All right, and one more pairing. One more pairing. All right, here we are. This card. Imprisonment. We know who we are wanting to go to prison, don't we? Here we are. And it is this. The living room. Now, in this Kipper deck, it is the family room. Okay, but this is the living room. Was this where Jennifer McCabe was longingly pining out the window, looking for John to walk into the house? Gotta put this to the side. Okay, let's clear the table. Thank you for the inspiration and the use. Now, we're gonna set these out. Here we are. The marriage and the occupation. The wealthy man and the meeting. You know, I don't know why, but that looks like AJ to me. Courthouse and legal matters. We're going to move this. Thank you. And imprisonment in the living room. Definitely, there's something in the long run that is going to happen to whomever it was that cooked this up. The plan, I feel, that was initiated in the living room. Whoever is involved in that has this coming. I have no doubt. I have no doubt. Now, isn't this fun? Here we are. This is the fox. We're going to lay him there. And an ace of hearts, which is a timing card. The 6 of diamonds and the lion. And the queen of diamonds. Number 12. That is children, meaning a new beginning and an air sign. That's a Jennifer McCabe card. See, she's going to come up. She is going to come up on this one, and it is the 4 of hearts here. And this is the fish. Let's dive into this a little deeper. With this fox on top of these 2 cards, the marriage and occupation card, somebody, you know, this fox means that there's someone seeking to betray someone. It means that there's someone that you can't trust. Hello, it's the CW. It's someone they are working. And you know, have you noticed that the more they dig, the deeper they're digging their own hole? Yeah? This timing card, the Ace of Hearts, That's a spring card. So that's what they're looking for, is they're looking for this new trial, or yes, trial to take place in the spring. This Six of Diamonds, the Lion, is bringing bad news. But it is not bad news to, I believe, Karen, although I do believe that that is a wealthy man and a meeting. We're going to see what this says. We're going to see what this means. The Six of Diamonds can mean someone is sacrificing someone or something, not someone, hello, something. But this is very interesting to me, this diamond, this Queen of Diamonds, and it's the legal matters, courthouse, legal matters, Queen of Diamonds. You know, I believe that she's going to turn out to be a prime witness for the prosecution again. Because now she's been brought up in new things that attorney Mark Betterow wrote in the letters regarding that they're finding out that she's got personal phone, email, saying that she's disappointed that somebody didn't get something. Who does she think she is? This imprisonment in the living room. It is definitely a confinement, that is for sure. But this fish tells of failing and a disaster. This Four of Hearts means that there is a definite hurt from the past, and I believe that it is because of Jen. I do not believe that this is Karen. I believe that this all connects, definitely. She's trying to be sly as a fox and look at that energy move, and so did my lamp. She's trying to be sly as a fox by manipulation and being a fixer. Let's draw out some more cards. Let's just take a minute, draw some cards. Nine of Hearts, and I want to point out something, my darlings. You see that middle heart? Now you know I do not read cards in reverse. However, this is an exception to one of those little rules. Because of this Nine of Hearts, this traditionally would be, or this little heart here, but this would traditionally be the yes card, the dream fulfilled, the wish come true. It's the same as the Nine of Cups in the tarot. But because this little guy is upside down, you see it usually comes out like this. But because this little guy is reversed and upside down, this means beware of those who play emotional games. Does it belong near her? Yes. Does it belong here? Yes. And here? Absolutely. Let's see what else we can find out and where it's going. Look at this. Look at this, my darlings. You can't we just can't mix that. I can't even talk. I get excited. Hello. We can't make this stuff up. Look at the face. Look at the jawline on that thing. Look at the jaw. That's the Queen of Diamonds, an air sign, Aquarius, which is Jennifer. Eight of Clubs, gambling with the situation. And the Queen of Spades. Now this Queen of Spades, that is not Karen. Let me pull out another card. I want to see who that is. I'm not going to guess. A Seven of Hearts needs to be fulfilled. Eight of Spades. Another issue, another problem, and there's a lump sum of money. I'm going to have to let that open. We may be able to fulfill who that is. Let me know in the comments who you think it may be. But this lump sum of money, oh yeah, it's going to continue to cost Karen. However, I don't think we need to worry about that because Yanetti and Jackson, they know where their bread is buttered. There's an old-fashioned saying for you. But this card here tells it all. And this card is that MAFO, mess around, CW, and find out. This is when you take a risk and you take a gamble and you push things to the point where it backfires. And this isn't a gamble in a, okay, there went my lamp again. So the energy is here answering our questions for us. And this is when you take that moment and it's a calculated risk and it's not in a casino. It's a life risk. Not a matter of life and death. But my question to all these CW people, bad actors, why would you want to ruin your lives? Why, Morrissey, why would you want to not only ruin your life, but the lives of so many and your career? You can't dig out of this. It's impossible. They've got you. The Jack of Spades. This means that there is a strong feeling of someone. And that is Colin. It is a strong, okay. So this is Nicole Albert. Because of this card, the related. Nicole Albert. Isn't that amazing? And I don't know, I really don't believe that Chris Albert walked home that night. Do you? This is Higgy Baby. The book means that there will be a new discovery. We can't make this up. Well, means that there will be a new discovery. And it will be better than before. All right, my darlings, I think we've seen enough. I do think that this is going to be coming out a lot better. And remember, we have to consider this situation very carefully. We're going to see some things tomorrow, and I'm going to say this, we're going to especially see the confidence in the defense, Karen Reed, the Reed family, and the supporters. We're definitely going to see that. Do I feel that some of the McAlberts are going to be there? Oh, yeah, I do. Maybe not all of them, but she knows something. Nicole Albert knows something. Okay. Okay, I kind of get where we're going. Let me pull out a card here. She knows something. A thief. She knows something. Adjudication. Yeah, there's going to be, I'm going to tell you something. If Nicole Albert doesn't start fessing up about where she knows Chloe is or what happened to Chloe, I feel. You know, sometimes these situations really can take a toll on you and really make you break. No one is sleeping. Their minds are constantly going, trying to manipulate, and especially this one. Trying to manipulate, trying to make sure that things happen in the way that she feels that they should, trying to make sure that she can cover all bases, and they are going to MAFO in this new situation that's coming out. And do I believe that there will be a new trial? No, I do not. I do not believe there will be. Nada, nada, nada. Just so you know. Much love to you, my darlings. If you would like to shop and get your tarot guides and your cartomancy guides to learn how to read cards, I'm leaving a link in the description. As well as, if you'd like to have a reading with me, that link will be there, and also a link for Patreon where we can chat about a few things that normally we could not. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next one. And there goes the lamp. Confirmation. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Thank you to each and every one of the Tarot Crime Lab techs and Zeldanators here at Seeing Crime. Because of you members, I thank you so much.